Hello, everyone. After a long time, again, I'm trying to share my experience in this. After not getting any discernible, handle over the futures and options, and trying various strategies and techniques and algo and everything here and there, I was not able to consistently get anything on that. It's like it comes and goes, and ultimately you are just break even or even in a loss because of the brokerage and taxes and everything. So then I had stopped it. And meanwhile, Abna finance minister also came and she has announced some few more taxes, increasing taxes, and all my mood was off. Well, anyway, it was off pretty much before that also because I was not able to get a handle over my trading on the futures and options. So then I had taken a backseat on it and I had tried to get into the cash market. So then for a few days I tried tinkering with various scanners, and then ultimately I made one simple scanner which worked well, which looked to work well. And it is simply you know it will simply show up any stock which has gone above its previous 5-day highs, and it is below its 50-day moving average. So the thing is, 5 days. So previous week high should be broken, and even then, it should still be below its 50-day moving average. Okay, see, these are all on daily timelines. So I had made up this scanner and was tracking that how it goes. So then for last 1.5 months or so, I was tracking that and saw a few stocks which were coming up, and I tried to see how it goes. Whether when my scanner throws up, then afterwards does the stock really do good? And yes, I realized that yes, I do can get 3 to 10%, or in certain cases, even if there's a small, if that's a small cap stock, it can even go up to 20% or so. So then I was trying and looking and trying to get into it. So my scanner had thrown up things like Piramal Enterprises somewhere over here, but I was, a bit skeptical. I did not follow that, and then I missed this move somewhere around, let's say, 940 to maybe 1,000. So you can see 1,040, roughly 100 rupees. So it's more than 10%. So I missed out this move. So then again I waited. Then similarly, another one I had missed out in this Tata teleservices. It had given me a breakout over here, 79.80. But then I was like, oh, this is a very small stock. Let me not do. But then afterwards, my God, just to see where it went from 80 to 108. Shit. It's what, 30 rupees out of on 80. Mm, it is at 27, almost 27% jump, and I missed out that. So then after that, I had been after that I thought, okay, I'll have to take a plunge, and I'll have to have faith on my systems, and after all, I'll have to test it with real money. Otherwise, what's the point of doing it? So then my scanner threw up two more stocks. It threw up IIFL over here, but then I was still, since this was all going down and I wasn't not very much, I had put up a high above this, entry above this, but then luckily it did not go up, so got saved. Sirma. This was another one which I still missed out. Actually, I got an entry over here first time, but I did not take an entry. Otherwise, from here 470 to 500, it would still have given me good reasonable returns. Just a few days, 23rd July to 1st August, just a week or so, and it would have given on what, 470 to 500 or 30 rupees for on 47. You know, another maybe 30 rupees, 12, 30% almost. No. How much does it make? 30 divided by 470 is 6%. Okay. So, okay. 6% I missed out. That's okay. Then I had been tracking another one on RHIM, RHI Magnesia. So it gave me entry over here. Remember, this is all still below the 50 average would be 50 removing average would be somewhere around this, It was still way below this. So even when it went up, the 5 days moving average, and it's still 5 days average, but still it I did not take that, so I missed out, and then it again started falling. I started chasing that. No, now I'll not miss it. Whatever happens happens. Then I started putting a entry stop entry on the high of previous days. So over here, when it went above this previous day's high of 592, actually I got a entry. I had put up an entry above this. Once it gave a green candle, so 594.30, I got in at 595. I got in at 595, and my target was 560, because at that time the 50-day moving average was something around was coming around 560 or so. Sorry, not 560. Say, what was that? It was, yes, 660. Yeah, 659 something. Yeah, it was at 650. So then after I bought, I held on. It was green, and over here it did come out a little bit 587. My buy-in price was 595. So little bit it gave me in a loss for a day. But then I still held on that, okay, let me see. I'm not going to lose much. So I held on to it. And this was my stop loss, 574. This last red candles low 575. So I held on. So I held on. And today, suddenly, when I woke up, and wow, it was it. And I held on to it, and I got my target of 660. So 11% on this. After holding on for, I got in at what, 8th, ninth. So 9 to 16. Wow. 7 working days, 7 calendar days. So working days is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On fifth working day, I got my target. So this thing makes sense that you hold on overnight. Do not bother about this falling down, as long as it's reasonable and within your stop loss. If you're able to take that hit, you should hold on, and then that's it. It will go. I really missed out in this. It was such a good one, 80 and 74, 75. Just a very small stop loss, and I could have gone this. But then after this, I was really excited that no, I want to get in. I want to get in, and I let go this also because I was not very convinced. I let go of this because this is again actual this thing. Over here I did let it go, but then I was very sure and very determined that yes, I want to get into this, and that's it. I got 11% over here. It, if you look into it, yeah, long position. If I had made at 595.50, and my stop was over here 575, and my target was 659. So yes, I did get this today. I'm so happy about it. And it went down for 2 3 days, but no, it did not hit my stop loss. So yes. So I think I'll carry on with my scanner, and next time when I do that, I'll post it whenever I take up a position. I'll post it, and see. Let's see how it goes. I I missed out on Piramal Enterprises. I missed out on. I think I had missed out one time on IRFC also. No, not much. It did not go much. IIFL, no, I did not take that because I was still not on this company. I'm not very hopeful on this. But TTML was a real surprise which I missed out, and I still feel, oh my god, I should have really gone and taken that risk. But then anyway, chalo, आज ये हो गया. I'm happy about it. Now next time again when I get something like this, something comes up on my scanner, I'll take in, and then let's see, I'll post it how it goes. Okay, then enjoy, share your views if anything. Thank you, bye.